Hi, this is Danny Olish. I'm at the InfoComm in 2026 in Las Vegas. We're showing the Violet Audio dMix 128, our beautiful new digital mixing system. It's 128 channels, 32 inputs, 24 outputs, plus stereo headphones, AES-IO. We've got MADI IO, AS67 with SMPTE 2110, NMOS and rAVe support. We can run Dante over this as well. We've got video output and USB, redundant power supply, input to output latency of 0.25 milliseconds, very low harmonic distortion, great dynamic range, works as a web browser, very, 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 very fast. The whole system is incredibly fast. On every channel, we have a multitude of functionality. You don't need to go and look for it as an insert somewhere. You've got saturation, gate compressors, EQs, DSs, multiband compressors, graphic EQ, and inserts. You can move these around in any order you like. We go to the EQ. 4-band parametric, that's pretty normal, but most can't add more bands to your 4-band parametric. We can add up to 8 bands. Each one of these can go to a dynamic EQ, and you can insert them anywhere else in the console. This can insert to vocals, guitar, bass, into different areas. You can run on iPads, straight over, very, very fast, and fly between the channels on this way, or select the banks you want that way, go into aux sends. We're running DAD MADI. At the same time, we're running a RedNet, all connected through to the system to my routing, and my assignment here sets me free because I can connect to different sources such as AS67, rAVe, SMPTE 2110, different clocking mechanisms. I can receive directly from Dante as well. It's an incredibly flexible system, multi-screen, multi-UI, controlling multiple mixes at the same time. And it's available on Sweetwater right now. Come to the website www.violetaudio.com.